Hello, Abusia, and welcome to Tree Made Easy, the fun and easy way to learn the Tree language.
Yay, I'm ready. But what is Chui, and who speaks it?
Great question. Tree is one of the languages spoken in Ghana. Have you heard of Ghana?
Hmm, I think so. Is it in Africa?
That's right. Ghana is a peaceful and colorful country in West Africa. It's known for its friendly people, rich culture, and yummy food like jollof rice and kebabs.
Looks delicious. I'm hungry already.
Ghana has over 80 languages, but some of the most common are Ewe, Dagbani, Ga, and Twi.
Wow, that's a lot of languages. So this channel is for all of them?
Not quite. This channel is for kids who want to learn Twi. We'll learn how to say everyday words, short sentences, and even sing fun songs all in Twi.
That is awesome. I want to learn to say hello in Chui.
Then you're in the right place. Each episode will learn something new. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, my name is Areku, and I'm ready to learn Chui.
My name is Asida. Let's learn Chi together.
A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, O, 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 like Verashite, yeah. Sai wa pensa iru tumika tui a, and yes one choro dine kakanka kaka. Think try the pie and go suna yes one in na.